Hey everyone, are you looking to earn some extra money online? Well, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 of the best websites for earning money in the USA. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and information. 1. Upwork. www.upwork.com. If you have marketable skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, Upwork is the perfect platform for you. You can find freelance projects posted by clients and bid on them to offer your services and expertise. 2. TaskRabbit. www.taskrabbit.com. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with various tasks, such as cleaning, moving, or handyman services, with individuals looking to earn money. It's a great option if you prefer physical work or odd jobs. 3. Fiverr. www.fiverr.com. Are you a talented freelancer? Fiverr is the place for you to showcase your skills. You can create gigs in categories like writing, design, video editing, and social media management. Set your own prices and start earning money. 4. Swagbucks. www.swagbucks.com. Swagbucks offers multiple ways to earn money. Complete surveys, watch videos, play games, or shop online to accumulate points called Swagbucks. These points can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. 5. Amazon Mechanical Turk. www.mturk.com. Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as MTurk, provides microtasks for workers to complete. Tasks can include data entry and other small jobs. It's a flexible way to earn money in your spare time. So there you have it. 5 great websites for earning money in the USA. Make sure to check them out and see which ones suit your skills and interests. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy earning!